So what causes hair loss in women, especially in the early 20s? Women have a different source of hair loss compared to men. In men, it's probably 98-99% related to androgenic alopecia, which is related to dihydrotestosterone or DHT. In women, it's a lot more complicated than that, and it's probably more genetic. And kind of multi-gene related, although there are some women that have issues with testosterone, but that thinking is really going by the wayside. As a result, we are not calling female pattern hair loss androgenic alopecia unless there is a bona fide or documented testosterone issue, often associated with, say, polycystic ovary disease or something called hirsutism, where there's kind of a male body hair pattern or beard hair growth, things like that. Otherwise, hair loss in women is multi-genic and oftentimes found with sisters, aunts, obviously mothers and grandmothers. We see women not with actual hair loss a lot of times, but with what's called miniaturization, where the hair fibers actually shrink. And a lot of women will say, boy, the volume in my ponytail is much less. I used to have one, really thick, and now I can, just, it's very small. So that's common. And that's oftentimes related to miniaturization.